Tell me what you got.
Ow.
Let's see the locust. Is he grabbing onto you really hard? Let's see.
Ow.
Oh, he's so green.
Ow.
Man, his hands just really got sticky little things on them. They're like aliens, huh? Look at his eyes.
Yeah.
Aren't they weird looking?
Scary, kinda.
Very strange.
It's cool how they have the little print on their back.
Yeah. Look at that. They're pretty.
He can't fly.
Why not?
He doesn't want to leave me.
No. He likes you.
Oh.
Pretty cool there, buddy.
Oh, he's pulling my skin.
You need to wash your hands after you're done.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you going to put them so the tank doesn't get them? Why don't you put them on the tree over there?
Okay.
I bet you he'll hold on to the tree. Where are you going? You going to put them up there?
There he is.
There you go.
Right there.
Cool.
Just climbing on the tree.